Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to connect Razorpay to Shopify. This integration allows you to accept payments seamlessly on your online store. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard on your browser. Next, go to Settings at the bottom left corner, then select Payments. Under Payment Providers, click Choose a Provider and select Razorpay from the list. Now, you'll need your Razorpay API key and secret. Log into your Razorpay dashboard. Go to Settings API Keys, and copy your key ID and key secret. Return to Shopify, paste the API credentials, and click Activate or Connect. Once connected, your Shopify store is ready to accept payments via Razorpay. You can test it by placing a small order or checking the payment settings. That's it. Your Shopify store is now integrated with Razorpay, making online payments fast, secure, and hassle-free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.